Welcome to my wonderful floral workshop, you very, very special people. I'm Mercedes Sarmini, your floral host, and I'll be entertaining you with my Floral 8 recipes. Now, this online course is designed for the beginners. We'll be going through 8 floral recipes, starting with the buttonhole, Floral Crown, halo if you want to call it, the Floral Posy, the Floral Bouquet, the Floral Sheaf, the front view arrangement, the Bridal Posy / nosegay, and the mini box Floral Radial arrangement. I promise you that it's going to be a lot of fun. Very, very simple steps to follow, steps that you will remember forever, I promise. I can't wait to get floral, and I can't wait to show you very shortly.